everyone, and welcome back to Hacks with Christina. Do any of your doors sound like this? Usually not a nuisance in the daytime, but heard loud and clear in the middle of the night or when baby is asleep. Today I'm going to show you a hack using baby oil to fix your squeaky doors, because maybe you don't have any WD-40 lying around the house. Plus, this method smells way better. All you need to do is grab a microfiber cloth and pour on the baby oil. Rub the oil on the back and front sides of the hinges. With only one application on the hinges, the squeak is gone. I hope you enjoyed this hack. Please comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!